Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's 2-minute tip video, I want to give you 2 tips on how to manage hoses in your garden so that you don't have to do a lot of work of dragging hoses around, and more importantly, when you're snaking your hose through a garden, that hose isn't whipping up and snapping your tomato plants, pepper plants, and other plants. I'll show you that tip in a second when we go inside, but it basically is just putting in posts just like that. So I have a large yard. If you have a large yard, I have the main spout faucet over there. Instead of getting like a 200-300 foot hose and running a hose all the way down there, having it long enough to get over the fence, through my garden, and to the other side, you can buy something like that. I put that into the ground, put in cement, and I basically can take a 100-foot hose, use it around this space on my garden over there, and then I run it right to here, attach it to that, and then I have another 50-foot hose right on there. And that's just an easier way to set up these little hose stations throughout your property, and then you can link the main hose to them, if that makes sense. And you can, turn that on and off. Now, that just makes it easier so you don't have to have 300 feet of hose all in one place. So let's go inside, because what does happen in gardens that you don't have drip systems, I get a lot of rain here, so I don't really need a drip system. So I water by hand, but if you're moving this big hose around, it's real easy to damage plants, and this is how you get around it. Here's a closer look at the setup for the hose. You can turn it on and off right here, put your 50 feet on there, and then I can water this garden, and I can get it over the fence to water that other part of the garden. So when you're snaking the hose through here, and if you watched my Friday morning ramblings video last week, you did see this tip. I apologize if you're watching it again, but this is for the short video. If I had tomato plants in there, or pepper plants, or anything, and I'm pulling the hose through the garden, and we've all done this, it's real easy to tug on the hose, and then it whips across and it snaps off your tomato plants, your pepper plants, or whatever. Put in these 4-foot stakes. These are used to build the railings on decks. You can find bundles of them, and they're about 4 feet high, perfect, nice and thick. Hammer them in a good foot, and then when you're pulling your hose around, this is going to stop the hose from whipping across here. Let me show you another example. I have 2 set up there, 2 set up here. And again, if you're watering and I'm making the turn, I'm not going to whip across this whole section and take plants out. And it's really worth putting these at the end of your rows or wherever you're going to be pulling the hose. It's a great garden saver. We've all snapped plants pulling these around. Maybe you're in a rush, you get frustrated, you tug really hard, the hose whips across your beds, damages your plant. Hope this saved you some heartache. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.